We have clients, we call it the 100K club. We have a lot of clients doing $100,000 deals. If that phone call that came in, they didn't answer that call and that person went somewhere else, that's $100,000 that really skew your numbers.
Dealing with your group, right? Again, you have over 100 people, which is impressive, right? I mean, it's not even 2 years that you've been doing this. What are some other trends you're seeing as in their businesses? You know, outside of just the market, is there anything else you're seeing out there because you have that much data out there?
Oh yeah. It's crazy because we've had some well-known people come to us and say, we want you to run our TV commercials. And we started, I think it's about a year ago, we started running the phone number through our system so we could have the data, number one, and two, so we could listen to the phone calls. Because we'd have people come to us and say, we got 90 they would come to us and they'd say, our commercials aren't working. Okay, what's your data? How many calls are you getting? Well, we don't know. Okay, well, how's your sales team doing? I think they're doing okay. Like, okay, we need some more data. So we started running the phone numbers through our system, and partly because we could buy the number and know it's a good number. Even though we'd coach our clients, hey, buy this number or buy something similar, they would go buy some random number. So that was part of it too. We would see calls coming in and the way they were handled, and you would think the people that you would probably know that have good businesses, I mean, they're probably still doing okay, but when their guys answer the phone, hello? Or they're out and about, just, you know, you can tell they're in their car, or like their kids are in the back screaming, you know, just stuff like that. It's like people that I can tell the people who have their stuff dialed in, they're the ones doing the big numbers. The ones that don't have their stuff dialed in, that have kids screaming in the background and some guy answering that doesn't even say the business name, those are the ones that struggle a little bit, because even if you're on TV, if someone calls you and you don't answer with your business and you have screaming kids in the back, they're going to be like, who are you? Do I really trust you?
Right.
You know? And you're very unpresent with them too, and they can feel that. That's a trend, is that those that are doing really well, we listen to their calls, they're dialed in. They answer the phone, or they return the call back quickly. You can see that in the system. And they're converting, they're just converting. They're just doing the deals. I mean, you know, we have clients that we call it the 100K club. We have a lot of clients doing $100,000 deals. If that phone call that came in, they didn't answer that call, and that person went somewhere else, that's $100,000 that really skew your numbers.
Yeah.
You know? So that's one thing for sure. That's the biggest thing I think at the top of my head is just people dialing in their sales process. I mean, people spend so much money for leads, but they don't dial in their sales process.
Well, the marketing, right? I mean, that's the first step, is we want to get the marketing right. And after the marketing, then we got to get the sales right. And then once we get the sales right, then we got to get like people right. And after that, we got to get the finances right. So there's like so many things we have to do well. And I think I've been guilty of this. Right, you just assume everyone knows everyone knows what to do and how to do it correctly and consistently. But without inspecting it, you just don't know.